Staplermaniacom review 2025 legit Fastener store or online scam. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming every online hardware store is either a scam or low quality. The surprising truth is that Staplermaniacom is a legitimate store specializing in fasteners, staples, and related tools, but buyer awareness is still important. The website offers a wide variety of products from office staplers to industrial-grade fasteners. You won't believe how extensive their catalogue is, covering sizes, types, and specialty tools. Customers report receiving orders promptly, with products matching descriptions and functioning as expected. However, some buyers noted minor issues with international shipping times or extra duties, which is common for hardware shipments. The surprising truth is that despite being legitimate, careful attention to shipping policies and regional restrictions will help avoid unexpected delays or costs. Payment methods are standard, including credit cards and PayPal, and the site uses full encryption for security. Customer support is responsive through email and live chat, which adds confidence for first-time buyers. In conclusion, Staplermaniacom is a legitimate online fastener store that delivers on its promises. Focus on checking shipping details, reading product specs carefully, and using secure payment methods. With these precautions, you can confidently purchase from the store for personal or professional projects.